Hello everyone, guys. Today we will see that how we can convert a relation into a 3NF form. We have already done the 3NF form where we have seen that there are two conditions which should be satisfied for converting a table into a 3NF form. The first is the table should be in a 2NF form, and plus there should be no transitivity relationship or the functional dependency between non-prime keys. Okay guys, so let's see how we can convert a relation in a 3NF form. There is an example. Sometimes this kind of question comes if we have to convert the in 3NF form. So in the question we have given a relation R which has the 5 attributes, that is A, B, C, D, E, and after that we have given that there is a functional dependency from which A, B we can find C, from B to D, then D to E. Okay guys, and after that it is given that A, B is the candidate key of this table. So we have to convert that table into a 3NF form. So first of all, before doing the 3NF form, we will verify that is it the candidate key or not. So how we can finding the closure of this candidate key should return us all the attributes of the relation. So from AB I can get AB at least, and let's check now the functional dependency. From AB I can find C. Okay, from B I can find D, and from D I can find E. Okay guys, so all attributes comes here. That means this is the candidate key. Okay, that means AB prime attributes, okay, and C, D, E non prime attributes. Okay guys, now we have to convert them in a 3NF form. So first condition is that relation should be in a 2NF form. So let's see how is there in any 2NF form. So 2NF form says that all the non-prime key attributes should be fully functional dependent upon the prime key attribute. So all the non-prime key attributes should be functionally dependent upon the fully functionally dependent upon the AB, that means prime key attribute. So we check the functional dependency. First of all, check for the C. Yes, C is completely dependent upon the AB. Okay, is D dependent upon the AB only? No, D depend upon B, which is the partial functional dependency. That means this is the fully functional dependency exists here, but there is a partial functional dependency. D is not completely dependent upon the AB. It just depend upon the part of the key. After DE, which is a non-prime key, so this is a transitive functional dependency. So there is only C attribute which is fully functional dependent upon the primary keys or the prime keys. That means there is not, this table is not even in the 2NF form. So first of all we have to convert this table in a 2NF form. So how we will convert? We will decompose this table in such a way that these attribute, this is the prime key attribute, and on which non-prime key attribute depends completely, that is C. Okay guys, so we will take them in a one relation which satisfy the definition of 2NF, that is non-prime key attribute which is fully functionally dependent upon the prime key attribute. Okay guys, so C dependent fully functionally on AB. Okay guys, so this is 2NF form. Now go for the another attributes, that is B, D and E. Let's see. B, D and E. B is the prime key here. Okay, so we can find the value of D by B here. Can we find the value of B, E by D by B? Yes. From this, so from this to this I can evaluate that E can be find by the value of E by transitivity. Okay guys, so we can say that this is the two non-prime key attribute which is fully functional dependent upon the prime key attribute. Transitivity occur here, but it is all about the second normal form. Second normal form does not focus on the transitivity. It just focus on the fully functional dependency. So this is the fully functional dependency occurs here. That means this table and this table is under the 2NF form. Okay, so let's check for the, now we have to convert that this two relation into the 3NF form. So for the 3NF form, what is the condition? That there should not be any transitivity. Let A, B, C. It is in 2NF form now. Now go for the 3NF form. Is there any transitivity? This is prime key, this is non-prime key. So there is no transitivity between non-prime keys because there is only one prime, only one prime key. That means with 2NF form, it is already in a 3NF form. Okay guys, it is already in a 3NF form. Let's go with the R2 table, which is B, D, E. Here B is the prime key and D, E is the non-prime key. Okay G. Now let's see, is D is fully functional dependent upon B? Yes, but there is a relation or functional dependency but upon D and E. We can find the value of E by B and also by D. That is a transitivity. There is a transitivity functional dependency. So we have to remove this transitivity. In the previous session when we did that, the third normal form, so we removed the transitivity or by taking this attribute in a separate table. So how we can do that? This R2 is divided into one table, like D is completely dependent upon B here. Okay, so we will take B and D in a one table. Okay guys, and from that these two non-prime key attribute will be taken in another table. So that means there is a third relation which consists D and E. So here D is a key here. Okay guys, so now E is fully functionally dependent upon D and there is no transitivity because there is one key. Okay, there is one key which is D and this is non-prime key. Okay guys, so there is no transitivity. There is no transitivity. D is fully functionally dependent upon B and no transitivity occurs here. So we have divided this complete relation in the three relation, that is R1, R2, that is R1, R3 and R4. Okay guys, this is exactly R4. This is R1, R3 and R4 will be the final answer of this relation. So these three relations are under 2NF, 3NF. Okay guys, so 2NF and we have converted after that 3NF. This is all about how we can convert the 3NF in 3NF relation. So in the next session we will take some, if possible I will take some example as well and we will do some topics as well after these videos. So if my videos are helping you, to please guide, like and share these videos and subscribe the channel, and please remember, don't forget to follow the playlist of this subject. Okay guys, thank you and take care.